And a warm welcome to the semi-final stage of our Junior Science and Maths quiz. This afternoon, we have 3 schools seated and poised to compete for a slot in the finals. The Junior Science and Maths quiz, as you may be aware, is brought to you proudly, indeed, by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST. And it is important that we give honor and praise to whom honor is due. And so our sincerest appreciation this afternoon goes to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Rita Akusia-Dixon, for all the support she has given us through the course of the Junior Science and Maths quiz. Prof, we are really deeply grateful to you. We also want to show our appreciation to the Provost of the College of Science, Professor Leonard Amekuji, who is hosting us here this afternoon. And we also want to say a big thank you to the Honorable Chair of the Junior Science and Maths quiz, Professor Kwesi Prepon. Prof, we are truly grateful to you and your team for all the hard work and dedication to making this contest a success. To the headmasters and headmistresses who believe in nurturing these young and amazing minds in the area of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and for making their schools a part of this competition, we say thank you and well done. To our amazing and indefatigable teachers, very hardworking, very dedicated, we thank you for all the work that you have done in training these young minds. I insist and I say that you are the real MVPs. To all our audience watching us on all our social media platforms, thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. To the students here, you have been here from the preliminary stage through to the quarterfinal stage and here at the semi-final stage, cheering your mates on. Well done to you. And as usual, you look amazing and well-dressed. Give yourselves a round of applause. We are also proudly sponsored by a number of companies: GTP, Coca-Cola, Kingdom Books and Stationery Supply, Lux City, Dex Technology Limited, Fair Green Limited, Mocha Makeup, Fonjo Images, Promacidor. They are the makers of cowbell. We are grateful for the support. We are also partnered by GH1, Ultimate FM 106.9. We are grateful to you for the support. This morning we had a very beautiful contest which saw SOS Heyman progressing, in fact being the first school to get a slot in the final stage. And they are already poised for having the bragging rights as the winners of the JSMQ. I am certain that you are also all poised here on the stage and ready to get a slot in the final stage. Well done to you for making it this far. And note that it is only one school that can win, but you are all winners for making it up to the semi-final stage. So give yourselves a round of applause. Our contesting schools are MATTA DEVI Basic School, MARTYRS of Uganda RCJSS, and Crown Prince International School. I wish you all the best of luck, and may the best school win. So in this round of contest, we have 4 rounds: the fundamental round, the fastest finger round, the science and technology challenge, and the last round, which is decoding the clue or the riddle round. In each round, I would read out the instructions to you, and you are to press the buzzer before answering your question. And you wait for your school to be called before answering the question. Is that clear? We begin contest 2 of the day, round 1. Your instructions. Listen carefully. This round consists of questions in the area of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, you are awarded 3 points. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes a bonus to the other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools would have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculation, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculation. Bonus questions are open to the school to compete for by ringing your buzzer. If you fail to ring the buzzer before answering the bonus question, it nullifies your answer, even if you are right. So it's very important that you press your buzzer before answering any question and wait for your school to be called. I wish you all the very best once again. So question 1, round 1. Crown Prince, your question. What is the greatest 2-digit multiple of 8?
96.
96 is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS of Uganda. What is the greatest common factor of 9 and 15? 3 is correct for 3 points. MATTA DEVI. How many different prime factors does 48 have? Yes, Asari.
2.
2 is correct for 3 points. Question 2. MARTYRS. I begin with MARTYRS of Uganda. Kofi travels 1/3 of a distance. If the total distance is 12 kilometers, find the remaining distance that he would need to travel in kilometers. Yes, Rejoice.
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers is correct for 3 points. MATTA DEVI, your question. The total number of students in a class is 36. If 3/4 of the students are taking an examination from the class, how many students are not taking the examination? Yes, Asari.
9.
9 is correct for 3 points. Crown Prince. 3 friends, A, B, and C, have some money. If A has 3/10 of the total money, B has 7/15 of the total money, and C has 7/30 of the total money, who has the biggest share of the money?
B.
B is correct for 3 points. Question 3, you have a preamble. You are to find X and Y in the following equations. Find X and Y in the following equations. MATTA DEVI Basic School, your question. X plus Y equals 3. X minus Y equals 3. Asari Andrew.
Y is 0 and X is 3.
Y is 0, X is 3 is correct for 3 points. Crown Prince. X plus Y equals 2. Y minus X equals 2.
Y is 2, X is 0.
Y is 2, X is 0 is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS. 2 2x plus y equals 3. X minus y equals 3. Rejoice.
X is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3.
Come again.
X is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3.
That is incorrect.
X is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1.
Say again.
X is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1.
That is also incorrect. Crown Prince for a bonus.
X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1.
Y is equal to
1.
incorrect. Matta Devi. Andrew Asare.
X is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1.
Correct for 1 point. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Question 4. Crown Prince, your major question. The active pumping of air in and out of the lungs of mammals is known as?
Breathing.
Breathing is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS of Uganda. Name the smallest type of blood vessel. Rejoice. Capillaries is correct for 3 points. Matta Devi. In mammals, blood flows out of the left ventricle to which part? Jesse Kwejo Jemfi.
Please, to all parts of the body.
That is not quite the answer I was expecting. For a bonus, Crown Prince.
Iota.
Iota is correct for 1 point. Question 5, round 1. You have a preamble to all of you. Most matured fruits have 3 regions. Each school is to name 1 region each and indicate which region of the fruit it is. MARTYRS of Uganda. Rejoice.
Epicap, the outer part of the fruit.
What did you call it?
Epicap,
Epicarp. And your definition for that?
it is the outer part of the fruit.
Not quite.
Mesocarp, the middle layer of the fruit.
That is correct for 3 points. Matta Devi Basic. The same preamble. Yes, Jesse.
Endocarp, the inner layer of the fruit.
That is also correct for 3 points. Crown Prince. The same preamble.
Epicap, the outer layer of the fruit.
I'll give it to you for 3 points. Matta Devi, your question. What is the oxidation number of bromine in hydrogen bromide? Jesse.
-1.
You have been bailed out, unfortunately. Your answer came after the bail. So unfortunately, I cannot allow the answer. So for a bonus to Crown Prince.
1.
1 is incorrect. MARTYRS of Uganda.
Negative 1.
Negative 1 is correct for 1 point. Matta Devi, your answer was correct, but it came after the bell had been rung. Crown Prince, what is the oxidation number of phosphorus in phosphorus pentaoxide?
5.
5 is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS of Uganda, what is is the oxidation number of chromium in chromates? Yao,
2.
2 is incorrect. For a bonus, the bell has been rung. Crown Prince,
12.
12 is incorrect. Matta Devi, Jesse,
7.
7 is incorrect. The correct answer is +6. +6. Question 7, Crown Prince. Which is the most abundant naturally occurring gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS of Uganda. Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? Yao Ej.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is incorrect. Matta Devi for a bonus. Yeah, Jesse.
Aluminium.
Sorry?
Aluminium.
Aluminium is incorrect. Crown Prince.
Iron.
Iron is incorrect. The correct answer is oxygen. Matta Devi, your major question. Which metal is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? Yes, Jesse.
Aluminium.
Aluminium is correct for 3 points. Now the next set of questions, you have to indicate whether the following is true or false. And because they are true or false questions, I won't be passing them on for a bonus. MARTYRS of Uganda. Your question. Tissue is a group of cells dissimilar in origin and in structure, but performs similar function. True or false?
False.
False is correct for 3 points. Matta Devi. Tissue is a group of cells similar in origin and structure, but performs dissimilar function. True or false? Jesse.
False.
False is correct for 3 points. Crown Prince. Tissue is a group of cells similar in origin, structure, and function. True or false?
True.
True is correct for 3 points. Question 9 in the first round of the contest. Matta Devi. A natural number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5. True or false? Jesse.
True.
True is correct for 3 points. Crown Prince. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. True or false?
True.
True is correct for 3 points. Crown Prince International School. MARTYRS of Uganda, your question. A natural number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. True or false?
True.
True is correct for 3 points. The last set of questions in this round. Crown Prince. An inductor opposes the change in current through a circuit. True or false?
True.
True is correct for 3 points. MARTYRS. An inductor stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. True or false?
True.
True is correct for 3 points. Matta Devi, your question. The inductance of an inductor is the ratio of the voltage to the current. True or false? Jesse.
False.
False is correct for 3 points. A And that brings us to the end of round 1 of this contest. MARTYRS of Uganda RCJHS has a total score of 22. MATTA DEVI Basic School has a total of 25. And Crown Prince School has a total of 31. Well done, contestants.
Martha Ankuma. Hey,
Oh, Chaisa.
now want to manage so Jamaica GTP on.
I know.
Joe. Hey, with them four. No beauty in some faded.
Me that say. So when him say GTP there, and one of me this sporty. Now your design is not so there, and you're endless. I mean, in Chemuda.
In Tremuda.
Clemento.
Yes.
You know I really like you.
Okay.
But that's your fabric. It doesn't look genuine.
Oh no, she design GTP design.
GTP put the printed colors be sale. Share. When buying GTP, always check the design number on the label. The same number is printed on the selvage.
I'm a fella. But they work out, because one I believe you. We are too much. We are genuine.
That's same.
Yeah, we do a chamu be what? The 7 circles of Alakwe. Jack, shine your eye.
GTP is available in various shops, open market and online at www.buygtp.com.
GTP, timeless.
My first picnic, yay!
Got the breakfast?
Check.
Good,
And the baby hat and umbrella.
Check.
good,
Get the baby bowl and spoon.
good.
Got it.
I love my daddy.
Young Vita?
Yes, what about my young pizza?
Yes, all the flavors: wheat, rice, and maize and wheat.
Yay!
Perfect. Let's go.
What about me? You see your life.
Young Vita, enriched with Nutri-V, contains all the essential vitamins and minerals to help you grow big and strong. Young Vita, a delicious way to grow.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We move to the second round of the contest. And this round is the fastest finger round. I read out the instructions to you. One question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to answer, you are to press your buzzer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from that question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants are to answer in 3 seconds. If your school gets the answer or the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools are to compete to answer. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1. It's important for you to note, if you get the answer wrong, a penalty of 1 applies to you. I wish you the very best in this round of contest. Question 1. The first living cell, Crown Prince. You didn't let me finish the question. The first living cell was discovered by MATTA DEVI. Jesse.
Robert Hooke.
No, please. The time is up. The correct answer is Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Second question. This is mathematical, so you need to jot a few points. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power negative 3 equals 5 raised to power 5. Matta DEVI. Andrew Asari.
M is equal to 2.
M is equal to 2 is correct for 4 points. If A equals 3 and B equals 2, find the value of A raised to power B and B raised to power A. Crown Prince.
54.
54 is incorrect. Matta DEVI.
A raised to power B is 9, and B raised to power A is 8.
That is correct. I'll give it to you. When you sum it up, you get 17. The membrane surrounding the vacuole is called MARTYRS. Now, AJ.
Vacuum membrane.
Not quite. Crown Prince.
Nuclear membrane.
That is incorrect, Crown Prince, and your time has, you've been bailed out, actually. You've been bailed out. The bell rang. All right. I would allow you, Matta DEVI. Come again?
Tonoplast.
Tonoplast is correct for... So the bell was actually for Crown Prince, so that's why I allowed you, Matta DEVI, to proceed. Which organelle in the cell other than nucleus contains DNA? You've been bailed out. To my audience, who wants to make an attempt? Yes. The mitochondria is correct. Thank you very much. Which structure of the cell is referred to as the suicidal bags of the cell? Matta DEVI. Yes, Andrew Asari.
Lysosome.
Lysosome is correct. Arrange the following 5 steps of nutrition in the correct sequence: digestion, assimilation, injection, ejection, absorption. MARTYRS.
Injection, digestion, assimilation, absorption, and ejection.
That order is incorrect. Crown Prince.
Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, ejection.
Correct for 4 points. If 3 raised to power x equals 27 and y raised to power 3 equals 125, evaluate y squared over x. Matta DEVI.
25.
25 over 3 is correct. 4 points. The ratio between an exterior angle and its interior angle of a regular polygon is 1:2. Find the measure of the exterior angle. Crown Prince.
720.
That is incorrect. MARTYRS?
240.
Not quite. You've been bailed out. The correct answer is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And the last question in the fastest finger round. Give the full meaning of EPROM as applied in ICT. Crown Prince.
Electrically programmable room.
You've been bailed out. MATTA DEVI. Yes, Andrew.
Erasable programmable read-only memory.
Correct. Thank you. That brings us to the end of an exciting round in this contest, round 2. At the end of the second round, MARTYRS of Uganda has a total of -3 points. Crown Prince has a total of -1. And MATTA DEVI Basic School has a total of 23 points.
I'm at the station. Please, can you give me the direction?
Oh, ask anyone.
Okay, madam.
Madam Punchy Peach.
Yes, so far you go Punchy Peach. A Coso Road. Now, where is number 4 and Numde Avenue?
Oh, number 4 Numde Avenue. What they call? Front right, sharp left. Miss anyone by the roadside.
Thank you. Hello, please direct me to number 4 Numde Avenue.
And there, see, go sir, then you curve. You will see some people there, then you ask them. But anyway, I can drop you.
No, thanks. One fire you go Punchy Peach and give me direction to number 4 Numde Avenue.
Go sir. Thank you.
Please, can you direct me to number 24 Numde Avenue? Go, sir.
Keep going with the goodness of the new Fanny Yogo Punchy Peach. So cool, so good. This advert is FDA approved.
I can take you there. I'm not doing anything.
The science and technology round. Now listen to the instructions carefully. One question will be given to the competing schools. The question in this round requires contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points, and contestants will be given up to 8 minutes to perform the given task. Now in this task, students we are to test your skills in elementary robotics. We have been given various components of a robot labeled A to I. We have also been provided with 2 batteries of 1.5 volts and 9 volts labeled J1 and J2. Your task, therefore, contestants, are you listening? Is to select J1 or J2 to enable stable mobility of the robot provided. You have also been given picture instructions, which will help you assemble the robot. Once you are able to assemble your robots, please draw my attention. I will come to your table and assess what you have done. Are you listening? Good. You are to ensure that the robot initially moves away from the position of J1 or J2. Once you do that, draw my attention. I will come to your desk and also assess what you have done. One of the purposes of this task is for us to assess your ability to read and interpret engineering diagrams. So you have been given a picture instruction. You are to follow and perform the task. After performing the task, you have a set of questions. You have 4 questions in this round that you are to answer. The total score for this round is 10 points. You start at the sound of the bell.
GTP, we say truly timeless. Coca-Cola, open to better. Kingdom Books and Stationery. At Kingdom, quality and affordability is our hallmark. Lux City, we make memories together. Dext Technology, a new beginning to new engineers. Fair Green Limited, intelligent business solutions. Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. Mocha Looks, we say pure beauty. To our sponsors, we acknowledge you for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. GTP, thank you for supporting us with your prize packages and clothing us, making this quiz colorful and a sight for sore eyes. GTP, truly timeless. Coca-Cola, open to better. For all your fun times with family and friends. Kingdom Books and Stationery. Anything books and stationery, we satisfy your needs. At Kingdom, we say quality and affordability is our hallmark. Lux City, we make memories together. Dext Technology, a new beginning to new engineers. Fair Green Limited, intelligent business solutions. Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. Mocha Looks, we say pure beauty. And to our media partners, GH1, your best experience. Ultimate 106.9. Ultimate, experience it. Thank you for being our powerhouse for this season.
Your time is up, my contestants. All right, so like I mentioned at the start of this round, that the main purpose was to test your ability to read and interpret engineering diagrams. Your task was to select either J1 or J2, any of the batteries provided, to enable stable mobility of the robots. And then you have to follow the picture instructions to assemble the robots. And then you were to ensure that the robot initially moves away from position J1 or J2. I went round and assessed. It came across to me that only MARTYRS of Uganda was able to assemble their robots, and they also demonstrated to me the movement of their robots, but they were unable to perform the third task, which was to ensure that the robots moved from J1 or J2. All right. So you were to build the robots and get a mark of 5. So for MARTYRS of Uganda, for being able to build your robot, I'll give you your 5 marks. Good. And then the question that follows: what force enables the robot to walk on the table? Or the first question was, state the energy chain involved in the process of the operation, as it is on your question sheet. And you stated chemical to electrical to kinetic. I'll give you the 1 mark for that point. The second question was, what force enables the robot to walk on the table? You rightly stated frictional force. I'll give you the 1 mark also allocated to that question. Give the reason for the choice of batteries used in the construction of the robot. You stated that the 9-volt battery was used to provide more energy for the robot. The total mark for that is 2. I'll give you 1 out of 2. You were unable to demonstrate the last part of the question, but you've given an answer here. But for the fact that you were unable to perform that task, I wouldn't give you the 1 mark that is allocated to that question. And so you have a total of 8/10 for this round. Now, Crown Prince and MATTA DEVI, you were unable to demonstrate to me the proper assembling of your robots, and so you were unable to perform the other task that was assigned to you. And for that reason, it nullifies any answers that you have provided on your sheets. MATTA DEVI, you were unable to answer any questions, but for an attempt, I'll give you 2 marks each. So as scoremasters, anyway, at the end of this round, MARTYRS of Uganda has a total of 8 points. And Crown Prince has a total of 2. MATTA DEVI also has a total of 2. Well done. move to the last round of the contest, which is the decoding the clue round. This is also the riddle round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points is awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points is awarded. On the third clue, 4 points is awarded. On the fourth or any other clue, 3 points is awarded. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from answering that question. And even if your answer is correct, it nullifies your answer. Is that clear, contestants? Are there any questions? Fantastic. We move to round 4, decoding the clues. The first riddle. I am a plane curve surrounding 2 focal points. I am geometrically defined as a set or locus of points in the Euclidean plane. I am well known in physics, astronomy, and engineering. I am a closed type of conic section. I am not a circle. I am rather the image of a circle. Crown Prince.
A sphere.
A sphere is incorrect. I am rather the image of a circle under parallel or perspective projection. MARTYRS of Uganda.
Cylinder.
Say again.
Cylinder.
Cylinder is incorrect. I am the orbit of each planet in the solar system, with the sun at 1 focal point. MATTA, DEVI. Yes, Jesse.
Ellipse.
Ellipse is correct. Riddle 2. I am the origin of some skills following a balanced start. I am an integral part of the binary number system. I am the additive identity of integers and many algebraic structures. MARTYRS of Uganda.
0.
0 is correct on the third clue. So you answered on the third clue, and that gives you 4 points. Riddle 3. I am widely acknowledged as one of the greatest physicists of all time. My research spanned from quantum mechanics. Crown Prince.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein is correct on the second clue, and that gives you 5 points. Riddle 4. I am a scientific law discovered by German scientist George Simon. This law is one of the most basic laws of electricity. I provide a relationship between current, voltage, and resistance. MARTYRS of Uganda.
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law is correct on the third clue. And that gives you 4 points. And the last riddle of the day. Best wishes to all of you. I am a charged particle. I am heavy, so I am called Bayo. My charge is positive. MARTYRS of Uganda.
Proton.
Proton is correct on the third clue, and that gives you another 4 points. Well done to my amazing contestants. You have done really, really well.
Kingdom, quality and affordability is our hallmark. Lux City, we make memories together. Dext Technology, a new beginning to new engineers. Fair Green Limited.
Very keenly contested semi-finals. And at the end of round 4, MATTA DEVI Basic School accrued a total of 3 points. Crown Prince School accrued a total of 5 points. And MARTYRS of Uganda accrued a total of 12 points. As you are all aware, this is a knockout stage, and only one school can progress to the final stage of the competition. But I want to congratulate you all for all the hard work and for representing your schools very honorably and very well. Give yourselves a round of applause. My audience, can you please give these contestants a round of applause? You've done amazingly well. And we here at the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, we are very proud of you. But at the end of it all, only one school can move to the final stage. So at the end of the competition, Crown Prince International School has a total of 37 points. MARTYRS of Uganda has a total of 39 points. And MATTA DEVI Basic School has a total of